Hey, what's up you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money with the GetResponse affiliate program. Now, I've been promoting GetResponse for the last year, and as you can see, I'm now making $1,000 every single month with GetResponse. And the best part about GetResponse is they pay directly to my PayPal account, and I get monthly reoccurring commissions because once someone signs up for a GetResponse account, they're going to pay every single month for the rest of their life. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step, click-by-click on how you can start making money with the GetResponse affiliate program. And I want to show you exactly the best way to start making money, but more importantly, get people to stay and pay for the rest of their life. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to teach people how they can leave their full-time 9-to-5 jobs so they can achieve financial freedom. Now guys, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day, so if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and let's get into it. Now before I show you how to start making money with the GetResponse affiliate program, I want to explain what is GetResponse and why is this software so powerful. So first of all guys, this is literally an all-in-one software, not just an email marketing. It used to be just email marketing, but this software is actually very powerful. As you can see here, obviously they do email marketing, which is the main reason why I use it. But now you can build websites, you can automate your marketing, and then you can create funnels, and now you can even do webinars with the GetResponse software. Now guys, here's the pricing structure of GetResponse, and this is what I love about, getting people to sign up for this. So it starts out at $15 per month, but as people start progressing and they start paying more because their list grows, their business grows, I get that monthly reoccurring commissions for life. But more importantly, as people start paying more and more, I make more money with the GetResponse affiliate program. So for example, someone signs up for $15, and let's just say their list grows to 10,000 people, and they have to upgrade to the plus, right? Because their business is growing, right? Well, let's just say they have 25,000 people. Now I'm making 33% of $179. This leads me to my next question, and what is the GetResponse affiliate program, and how does the GetResponse affiliate program work? Now, as you can see, this is actually really important, guys, and there's actually two options with the GetResponse affiliate program. There's the affiliate bounty program here, okay? Now, this gives you $100 for every sale that you get, okay? And then there's the affiliate reoccurring program where you get 33% of every sale. Now, guys, I highly recommend that you go with the reoccurring program and not just the $100. Now, yes, you are going to get more money in the beginning, with this program here, but you have to do this for the long term. So I highly recommend that you go with the 33% because you're going to get 33% of that person for life, even when they upgrade. So it becomes very, very powerful. And as you can see, guys, I have made about $4,500 since I started promoting this, but my income is going up, okay? As you can see, my last payout was $730, and now last month is $1,000. So this is going up exponentially because now I get more people to sign up, and more importantly, more people are building their list and they're building their business. So basically, as the people that I got in, as their business grows, so does my income. So that's the powerful thing about the GetResponse affiliate program is, yes, you get 33%, but you also get that 33% as people's businesses will grow. Now, I do want to show you real quick how the GetResponse affiliate dashboard looks like. This is inside my referred accounts. Now, if I go to GetResponse here, I could literally get my link here, right? So this is where I send people to go buy GetResponse. This is my affiliate link. Pretty simple here, but you could also go to statistics and go to referred accounts. You can see the blue line is basically your free accounts, and then your green line is your paid accounts here, okay? So basically, you can see how many people are signing up for the free trial and how many are actually paying. Now, this is what's really exciting about this, okay? If you go to earnings and payouts, you can see here in the last, 6-7 months, I was getting 127, then 250, and then 216, 375, 480, 500, 700, and now 850, and then this last month is about $1,000. So guys, it gradually goes up, and that's the cool thing with the GetResponse affiliate program is as more people get in, more people pay, and their business grows, so then they pay more as you get more people in. Now, let me show you exactly how to start making money with the GetResponse affiliate program. Now guys, I want to show you 3 ways on how to make money with the GetResponse affiliate program. Now the first 2 ways are awesome ways, and I'm still doing this, but the last one I think you're really gonna like because it's literally copying and pasting what I've done and using it to make money with the GetResponse affiliate program. So stick to the end, guys, because I'm going to show you a really cool method at the end. Now the first way is to create a blog. As you can see here, this is actually my blog here, and I created a blog that says, you know, ClickFunnels versus GetResponse. Okay, so basically when people are comparing the 2 softwares, they can go ahead and read my blog if they stumble upon my blog, and then within the blog I have my GetResponse link. Okay, so if I go down here, you can see I have a link to GetResponse. Okay, so when people click on this link here or even here, that's when I get a sale for GetResponse. Okay, now starting a blog is a great way to build a business if you don't want to create videos and you just want to kind of write something up and add it on Google, right? The goal with a blog is to get people to find these keywords that people are already searching and to rank really high on the top. Okay, now, I do have a free guide on how you can get started with a blog down in the YouTube description down below. It's my free affiliate marketing guide, and basically that's my free step-by-step on how to get started with a blog. Now, the next method is by creating YouTube content. Now, as you can see here, there's a couple ways you can create YouTube content. Now, the first one, it's more problem-based, okay? So as you can see here, I'm teaching people, how to build a funnel, how to make money with ClickBank. Here's another one, how to build a funnel, right? How to make money with the email list, okay? This is a problem-based YouTube video instead of a review-based video, okay? The difference is I'm teaching people how to acquire a certain skill, and then within that skill, I show them why they need the GetResponse affiliate program. Whereas something like if I go to GetResponse review, this is more of a review, so people already know what GetResponse is and they go and find a review on the actual product. Me personally, I like making videos where it's more problem based, so I show them how to solve a problem using the tool, and that's basically how I've built my business, as you can see here. I still think reviews are great on YouTube, but I believe that problem-based videos tend to do better and they provide more value for people. Now the third method and the most effective method is with my system, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. Now let me explain how this works and why this is so powerful. So basically, if you've never heard of this, it's basically a challenge that teaches people how to start a business and leave their job, okay? Now, within this challenge, okay, on day number 2, I show them how to set up their business, okay? Now, this is where it becomes really powerful, is that within day number 2, I let them know that they need an autoresponder, okay? And this is where I have my GetResponse affiliate link. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can literally copy and paste this into your own business in just a little bit, but I wanna show you why this is so powerful, because I'm not just giving people an affiliate link, I show them why and how they need to use the GetResponse software. It becomes a lot more powerful. So it's similar to what I just mentioned about YouTube, but now I have an actual challenge teaching them step by step, click by click, why and how they need to use the GetResponse program, okay? Now it's really easy for me to, kind of promote this because I use this myself. That's what I use in my personal business. Now, the cool thing about this is I just opened this up for a handful of people, meaning they can literally take this, copy and paste this and use your links. Okay, let me show you an example here. So this is one of my students, Sergio Sixtos. As you can see here, he literally copy and pasted my whole funnel, my whole challenge, and I allow him to enter his links here. Okay, so he goes in here and he can put his link not only for GetResponse, but for ClickFunnels, but for also the autoresponder as well. Now this is where it becomes really powerful, guys, is not only do you get to copy my proven system, you actually get the 100% commissions on the actual challenge itself. So for example, if I go to the challenge itself, as you can see in the last 8 months, the challenge has done $167,000. Not only that, guys, here's what's really cool. It's making me $7,000 per month and about $100 to $300 a day with the ClickFunnels affiliate program, which is another program that I talk about in the 3-day challenge. And of course, again, we get the GetResponse commissions, which is making me now about $1,000, $1,100 per month, and it's exponentially growing. Now here's the cool thing, guys. My students are literally copying and pasting this exact same thing. They're building their business, they're building their brand with the 3-day white label challenge. So again, they're using my proven system to basically promote this as their own. Okay, as you can see, here's another one here from Joshua. Here's another one here from Daniel Chow, and they're literally copying and pasting this exact system. This is Camilla here, and guys, I have literally hundreds of people copying and pasting this proven system that I've had over 11,000 students join, as you can see here, over $167,000. And in this one here, about 10,000 students have joined this particular challenge. Now, one thing to know, guys, is having a monthly reoccurring commission with your affiliate marketing business is vital, because once you get people in once, they pay every single month. And this is where you create that passive income. This is a game changer, guys, because now you can, work on the front end to get people into the challenge or into the softwares that you promote. And then on the back end is where you make the money. Now, as I mentioned, I just opened up the white label 3-day challenge. This is exactly what it looks like. So guys, I'm inside the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 program, where you can get access to this white label challenge, where you can use this as your own. Now, as you can see here, I literally show you exactly what you need to do to import this system and how you can get the commissions, but also import your affiliate links on the back end. And I go step by step, click by click, how you can set up your Stripe account, how you can add your funnels, and how you can add your affiliate links. Now guys, if you want access to this 3-day challenge white label where you can use this as your own and your own affiliate links, then I'm gonna leave a link down below in the YouTube description for Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, which gives you access to this white label challenge. Now guys, as I mentioned, I'm only going to have this available to a handful of people, because I don't want everyone in the world to have this white label challenge, because it's a very powerful challenge and I just don't want everyone promoting it. So I'm only going to give this to a handful of people. So if you do want access, click on the link below to get access to Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, which will give you access to my white label 3-day challenge. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video on the GetResponse affiliate program. If you guys have any questions at all, please comment down below. Subscribe to this channel if you found any value, and we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.